Welcome to News Pulse, your trusted source for the latest sports updates. Today we turn our attention to the much-anticipated opening match of the Women's Premier League 2025 season, where the defending champions, Royal Challengers Bengaluru, led by Smriti Mandhana, are set to face off against Ashleigh Gardner's Gujarat Giants. The match is scheduled for February 14, 2025, at the Kotambi Stadium in Vadodara, with a 7:30 p.m. IST start. This opening clash promises to be a thrilling encounter, featuring some of the most prominent names in women's cricket. A key highlight will be the face-off between RCB's captain, Smriti Mandhana, and Gujarat Giants skipper, Ashleigh Gardner. Notably, Gardner has had considerable success against Mandhana in the past, having dismissed her multiple times in both women's T20s and ODIs. This individual battle could play a pivotal role in determining the outcome of the match. Team compositions will be under scrutiny as well. For the Gujarat Giants, the choice of Beth Mooney's opening partner is a significant decision. With Deandra Doughton being a key player, the team management might have to choose between Laura Woolvart and Phoebe Litchfield for the opening slot. The final decision could influence the team's batting dynamics. On the other hand, RCB faces concerns over the fitness of their star all-rounder, Ellyse Perry, who recently suffered a hip injury during the Women's Ashes test in Melbourne. If Perry is unavailable, RCB might opt for Georgia Wareham at the number 4 position and consider including Charlie Dean in the lineup. The absence of Perry could impact RCB's balance, making team selection a critical factor. Reflecting on past encounters, Gujarat Giants have a favorable record against RCB, having secured 2 of their 4 wins across previous WPL seasons against them, including their inaugural victory. This history adds an intriguing layer to the upcoming match, as both teams aim to start their campaign on a positive note. As the Women's Premier League 2025 season kicks off, all eyes will be on the Kotambi Stadium to witness this exciting opener. Fans can expect a high-octane game filled with intense competition and standout performances. Stay tuned to News Pulse for comprehensive coverage and updates on this match and more from the world of sports. Thank you for joining us. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to News Pulse for the latest sports news and analyses. Until next time, enjoy the game.